Certified Nurse Midwives are playing a major role in many expecting mothers' birth plans. Saltzer physician Kasper is an obstetrician and gynecologist who knows all about this team-based approach.
Dr. Kasper, tell me about your collaborative approach to birth and labor in a hospital setting.
So my approach to collaborative care has been one that I've experienced since I've been at Saltzer. We have always worked very closely with some other OB groups in town. And then in recent years, that has started to expand to nurse midwives in the community. Recently, we have acquired our own certified nurse midwife, and so bringing that provider into our office and practicing collaboratively with her has just been wonderful in providing that option for patients.
And tell us more about that option. What is a certified midwife, and what role do they play when it comes to that team approach?
Yeah, so a certified nurse midwife is a nurse who has graduate education in midwifery, either a master's degree or a doctorate degree. And the nurse midwife's scope of practice focuses on normal pregnancy, labor, birth, postpartum, and then also woman care, contraception, kind of some of the normal gynecologic care. Our nurse midwife has ready access to obstetricians to see the patient, help, to look over an ultrasound, answer questions, and yet they still get that one-on-one midwifery care.
And let's talk about that birth plan. Moms that are putting one together, what are some things they should be focusing on, especially when it comes to that birth process?
My first piece of advice for women is to first understand what the routines are at wherever they're choosing to birth, because you can read a book about a birth plan and that book might have been written by someone who is used to a very patriarchal, kind of rigid hospital system. And so a lot of things can just be taken off the birth plan because they're already routine. Once you know that, then you're able to focus your birth plan, have a little bit simpler birth plan, and really make it focused on the things that are unique and specific to you.
And where can women go, where can people go for more information?
So our website, saltzerhealth.com, we're putting more and more information on there all the time. There's also a link to our podcast, the Healthcare Podcast. I have an episode on there, our nurse midwife does, various other providers within Saltzer.